Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. My name is Foxy and today I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own custom station in GTA 5 on PC. Stay tuned. Now this will work for both online and offline. So if you have some music that you want to play on your car while actually cruising around with your friends in the vast world of Los Santos online, well, you can do that. But before you start this tutorial, be sure to hit that subscribe button as I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. Also comment down below what is the name of your favorite song. With that being said, let's get right into this tutorial. Alrighty, so the first thing that you're gonna have to do is head to the file explorer, which is right over here. Left click it once and it should open. After that, head to the file called Documents, which you'll find over here. It could be called My Documents if you are on Windows 7, but if you're on Windows 8 or 10 like me, or 8.1, it should be called Documents and you should be able to find it right over here. Okay, in this folder, look for another folder called Rockstar Games. Double click it and it should open again, and then click on GTA 5, the GTA 5 folder. So double click it, this folder should open, and in this folder again, look for a folder called User Music. Now if you don't have User Music in this folder, in the GTA 5 folder, then all you have to do is basically right click this white space over here, go new, and then create a folder and call it exactly user, and then leave a space and call it music. Now I'm not going to be creating that folder, I'm going to be deleting that because I already have User Music created in my GTA 5 folder. Now all I have to do is double click it, and right over here in the User Music folder, basically this is where you're gonna want to include or add your tracks basically. So you're gonna need 4 tracks minimum for this to work. So obviously as you can see, I already added some of my favorite tracks over here, and there are 23 tracks, so basically the bare minimum is 4 for this to work. If you add 3 or 2 or just one song, it will not work. And I believe you can add as many tracks as you want. Please make sure it's MP3 because I think MP3 is the supported format. Anyways, add your music, then close this window through this X button if you do not know how to for some reason. And now all you have to do is head to GTA 5 where the next step will take place. Okay, so after you load up GTA 5, obviously just go ahead and navigate through to settings, which is this button right here, and navigate through the menu to find audio and then press enter. Obviously where audio is right there, press enter and now you should be in the audio menu. Go down to self radio mode straight and then go ahead and make sure it says radio, and then auto scan for music, make sure it says on. After that, go down to perform a quick scan and then press enter on your keyboard, and it should start scanning for music. And as you can see, it says self radio scanning for music. Obviously it's now scanning for music, and now all you have to do is basically wait anywhere from 1 to 5 minutes depending on how many tracks you have added. I'm just gonna be waiting here for a minute, and then after doing that, all you have to do is press escape twice and you'll be back in the menu. And all you have to do now is go ahead and select your story mode or your online mode, basically load up the game normally and it should work. I'm gonna demonstrate right now. I'm gonna be loading up in Singleplayer first so I can show you that it works in Singleplayer obviously, and then I'm gonna be going ahead and trying it online so I can demonstrate to you that it works in online too. Also, I have replaced all of the music over there to NCS music, so obviously I do not get copyrighted. Yeah, let me just load up story mode and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so as you can see, I have loaded up GTA 5 and boom. So I'm just gonna go ahead and hop into my car so I can show you that it works. And now all I have to do is press A, and as you can see already, you can notice that a new station has been added near the Los Santos radio basically. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go to it. And as you can see, that's the NCS music from the things I added. Anyways, let me just go ahead and hop into online so I can basically demonstrate that it works for you. Okay, so after 5,000 years of loading GTA 5, I actually managed to load in online, and as you could see, the music, the self music is actually playing in my apartment, which is very cool. It's like the first time. I just load it up and yeah, it's playing all over the apartment, which is really good. You can, if you didn't know, you can change the music right over here in your apartment, in your high-end apartment. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you that it works in the car as well. So let me just go to my garage and grab myself my car. Okay, so this is me in my car, my Nissan GTR Skyline, and yeah, I'm just gonna be navigating to Self Radio. Yep, that's the same song, yeah, as you could see. So yeah, you can now cruise around Los Santos with your very own custom radio station with your own songs basically. So yeah, if this video helped you in any way possible, then be sure to leave a like rating on today's video. Let's see if we can hit 40 likes on today's video. If we can do it, it'll be absolutely awesome. Comment down below what your favorite song is. Also click that subscribe button, as I'm on my way to 2,000 subscribers and all help is appreciated. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.